Listen, guys, I don't know when it became uncool to be ambitious about your goals and dreams, but it's required of you to be ambitious. It's required of you to have a certain hunger about your dreams and goals. It's required of you to operate at a certain level so your dreams and goals can become a reality. The problem is not the goal. The problem is not the dream. Matter of fact, a lot of you probably have the right goal and the right dream because I know it's coming from your heart. It's coming from deep down in your soul. So I know it's right for you. I know it's the goal that you are supposed to have. I know it's the dream that you're supposed to have. That's not the issue. The issue is you've lost your hunger. You're not ambitious enough about your dreams and goals. And I know the reason. A lot of you feel like it's intimidating to people. Like people won't like it. Like you'll rub people the wrong way. And you start thinking about all these other people's feelings. And I feel you because you got people around you that you care about and you want to keep them around. But respectfully, let me say this. Forget all those other people. Your goals are not relying on those people's emotions and how they might feel. Matter of fact, they don't even care about how you feel. All the goals and the dreams that you have, they just want to know, are you going to pursue them? That's the only thing that matters. That's the only thing that they care about. You think you're the only one going through things. You think you're the only one that has rough days. No, you're not. And this is me coming from a very, very pure place because I'm very, very results oriented. And the only thing that I care about in life is getting the job done. No matter how you got to get there, even if you got to crawl to the damn finish line, make it through the finish line. That's what I'm telling you to do. I want you to develop that hunger, develop that ambition, and get serious about your goals. I want you to get so intense about your goals that it scares people. Let them people get out the way so you can focus on the thing that you have in front of you and get your emotions out of it. You let your emotions get involved in your work, it's going to be a cloud and you ain't going to be able to see the things that God has in store for you because the only thing that you see is your emotions and your emotions cannot be involved in everything that you do. There's a time and place for everything. And when it comes to your dreams and goals, those emotions do not matter. Those get put to the side. Are you going to get the job done? Are you going to pursue the goals and dreams that you have? Are you going to become more ambitious about everything that you want to do than ever before? That's the only question that you have to answer. And you have to show that every single day. Think of every successful person that you see. You think life is perfect for them. I know it seems that way, but I guarantee you it's not. You think you're going to be any different? No, you're going to have to work through those rough days too. And that's where your ambition is really going to be tested. I just wanted to do something a little different. I came up with this like on the fly. I was thinking about it. I was like, man, I got to make a video about it. So I hope y'all are ready to develop that hunger again. I hope you are ready to develop that ambition again that you had when you started doing whatever it is that you're doing. You have to bring that back. Your dreams are counting on you. And if you don't work, your dreams die. I guarantee you that. Y'all have a good one. I will see y'all when I see y'all.